Micron Helicopters 115 is one of the latest ultralight helicopters from our DHELI, designed to provide a flexible and efficient flight experience. Here is a detailed review of this helicopter model, design, and technology. The Micron 115 uses a coaxial rotor design with two rotors rotating in opposite directions, which increases the payload capacity without requiring additional engine power. This design also helps reduce noise and increase stability during flight. Airframe, made from lightweight yet durable composite materials, which helps reduce the overall weight of the helicopter while ensuring durability and safety. Engine. The Micron 115 is equipped with an MZ202 engine with a capacity of 63 horsepower, allowing it to reach a maximum speed of up to 127 km per hour and a stable cruise speed of 90 km per hour. Performance and capability. Weight. The empty weight of the Micron 115 is about 158 kilograms, making it easily meet the standards of an ultralight helicopter. Flight range. With a standard fuel tank, the Micron 115 can fly for about 1.5 hours, equivalent to a flight range of about 150 kilometers. An additional fuel tank can be installed to increase the flight time. Takeoff and landing capability. The coaxial rotor design allows the Micron 115 to take off and land short distances, suitable for limited spaces. Applications and potential. The Micron 115 is not only suitable for amateur pilots, but also has the potential to be applied in many different fields, such as surveillance, rescue, and light cargo transportation. The easy-to-assemble and operate design is also a big plus, making it easy for users to maintain and upgrade the helicopter as needed. Practical applications, surveillance, and security. With its stable flight capabilities and relatively long flight range, the Micron 115 can be used to monitor large areas, from farms to industrial zones. This helps to enhance security and manage resources more effectively. Rescue and rescue. In emergency situations, the Micron 115 can be deployed quickly for search and rescue. Its short takeoff and landing capabilities make it effective in hard-to-reach areas. Light cargo transport. The Micron 115 can transport small packages or medical equipment to remote or hard-to-reach areas, improving logistics and medical services. Research and survey. Scientists and researchers can use the Micron 115 to survey terrain, collect environmental data, or monitor wildlife without causing major disturbances. The Micron Helicopters 115 is a great choice for those who are passionate about flying and are looking for a compact, efficient, and easy-to-use helicopter solution. With its advanced design and flexible operation, the Micron 115 promises to bring a unique and exciting flying experience. Helix is an eVTOL aircraft with high performance, advanced design, and outstanding safety features. With a cruising speed and range suitable for short flights, along with the ability to take off and land vertically, the Helix offers convenience and flexibility for users. Reasonable flight and charging times, along with advanced safety features, make the Helix an ideal choice for those who love to fly and explore the sky. The Pivotal Helix is designed with the goal of simplifying flying and enhancing safety. The aircraft uses a fully electric system, has zero emissions, and is capable of fast charging. Vertical takeoff and landing capability. Without the need for a runway, the Helix can take off and land on a variety of terrains, such as grass, dirt, gravel, asphalt, and concrete. Tilting fuselage design. Instead of tilting wings or propellers, the entire fuselage of the Helix tilts to switch between vertical and horizontal flight modes, reducing weight and complexity, enhancing safety and reliability. Simple control system. The Helix is equipped with digital controls and a simple user interface, making flying easy and fun. The Pivotal Helix has a cruise speed of about 55 knots, equivalent to 63 miles per hour or 101 kilometers per hour. Range. The aircraft can fly more than 20 miles, about 32 kilometers, with 20% power reserve too. This makes the Helix suitable for short flights and personal travel. Flight time. The Helix can fly continuously for about 2 hours at medium speed, suitable for short flights and personal travel. Charging time. With a level 2 charger to 140 volts, 50A, the Helix can charge from 20% to 95% in about 75 minutes. With a level 1 charger 120 volts, 15A, the charging time from 20% to 95% is about 4.5 hours. Safety and reliability. Simple control system. The Helix is equipped with digital controls and a simple user interface, making flying easy and fun. Automatic landing system. The automatic landing feature enhances safety during critical phases of flight. Radar sensors measure altitude to ensure accurate and safe landing. Emergency parachute. The Helix is equipped with an emergency parachute to ensure safety in case of emergency. Helix offers a great flying experience to the user. The cockpit is designed to optimize aerodynamics and provide a wide field of vision, allowing pilots to enjoy the surrounding landscape. Training and support. Pivotal provides comprehensive training and support for pilots, ensuring they have the skills and confidence to fly the Helix. Pivotal Helix is a new step forward in the field of personal aviation, providing the perfect combination of advanced technology, high performance, and safety. With a friendly and easy-to-use design, Helix promises to open a new era for those who love to fly and explore the sky. The Cri-Cri, also known as the Colomban Cri-Cri, is the world's smallest twin-engine aircraft. Designed by French aeronautical engineer Michel Colomban in the early 1970s, the Cri-Cri is notable for its compact design and aerobatic capabilities. The Cri-Cri is a low-wing, single-seat aircraft with an enclosed cockpit under a bubble canopy. It uses a 3-point fixed landing gear and 2 engines mounted on nose pylons in a drag configuration. The Cri-Cri structure is primarily aluminum, bonded to Clegosol foam, making it light yet strong. Performance and capabilities. The Cri-Cri has a wingspan of 4.9 meters and a wing area of 3.1 square meters. It can reach a top speed of 220 kilometers per hour in its thermal version and 183 kilometers per hour in its electric version 1. Cri-Cri is also capable of performing aerobatic maneuvers with a force limit of plus 10 grams and a 5G1. Applications and potential, entertainment and sports. Cri-Cri is widely used in air shows and aerobatic competitions. Its ability to perform complex maneuvers and its compact size make it an ideal choice for thrill-seeking pilots. Education and training. With its simple and easy-to-fly design, Cri-Cri is an excellent tool for training new pilots. It helps students get acquainted with basic and advanced flying techniques without investing in larger and more complex aircraft. Research and development. Cri-Cri is also used in aviation technology research and development projects. The electric motor version of Cri-Cri, developed by EADS and Aero Composite Saintonge, is a prime example of green technology in aviation. The Cri-Cri is not only a technical marvel with its compact design and impressive performance, but also a versatile tool with many applications in entertainment, education, and research. With the continuous development of technology, Cri-Cri promises to continue to be an icon in the aviation industry. The jet-powered BD-5, also known as the BD-5J, is a special version of the BD-5 series designed by Jim Bead. It is one of the world's smallest jet aircraft, notable for its compact design and high performance. The BD-5J has attracted the attention of many aviation enthusiasts due to its fighter-like appearance and impressive flying performance. The BD-5J was developed from the BD-5 series, which was originally introduced in the late 1960s and early 1970s. The BD-5 has a compact fuselage, with the pilot sitting in a semi-reclining position under a large canopy. The engine is installed behind the cockpit, creating an optimized aerodynamic design. The BD-5J uses a microturbo TRS-18 turbofan engine, providing a maximum thrust of 1.1 kN2. Weighing in at just 350 pounds, 162.7 kilograms. The BD-5J holds the record for being the lightest single-engine jet in the World 3. It can reach speeds of up to 300 miles per hour for 180 kilometers per hour, making it an attractive choice for air shows and pilots who love speed. Performance and flight experience. The BD-5J is notable for its fast and agile flight capabilities. With its aerodynamic design and powerful jet engine, the aircraft can perform complex flight maneuvers and reach high speeds in a short time. This makes the BD-5J a popular choice for air shows where it can perform impressive flight maneuvers. However, operating the BD-5J is not without its challenges. Due to its small size and light weight, the aircraft can be difficult to control in bad weather or when encountering emergency situations. This requires pilots to have good flying skills and experience to ensure safety. Review: the BD-5J is a unique and impressive aircraft, bringing exciting flying experiences to aviation enthusiasts. Its compact design and high speed make the BD-5J an attractive choice for air shows and speed-loving pilots. However, operating the aircraft requires skill and experience, and not everyone can easily master it. In short, the jet-powered BD-5 is a symbol of creativity and passion in the aviation industry, bringing joy and challenge to those who dare to conquer the sky. The SD-1 Minisport is a single-seat ultralight aircraft designed by Igor Kipazek and manufactured by Spacek of the Czech Republic. It features a compact design, high performance, and excellent fuel economy, making it an ideal choice for aviation enthusiasts and private pilots. Design and construction: the SD-1 Minisport features a low-wing design, an enclosed cockpit, and a fixed landing system. The aircraft is made of wood with a reasonable combination of composite materials, including wing spars. The aircraft's wings have a wingspan of 6 meters and a wing area of 6 square meters, using flaps. The aircraft can use a variety of engines, from 24 to 50 horsepower. Flight performance: the SD-1 Minisport is capable of cruising at speeds of around 90 to 100 miles per hour, 145 to 160 kilometers h, and has a very low fuel consumption of just 1.25 gallons per hour, nearly 100 air miles per gallon 3. This makes it one of the most fuel-efficient aircraft in its class. The aircraft can reach a top speed of 137 miles per hour to 120 kilometers per hour and has a limited load capacity of +4 to -2 grams. Flight experience: flying the SD-1 Minisport is comfortable and enjoyable. The cockpit is designed to optimize pilot comfort with a 40-tilt seat and ample space for pilots up to 185 centimeters tall. The XL version has adjustable cockpit height and length to accommodate pilots up to 2 meters tall. An efficient ventilation system helps maintain a comfortable environment throughout the flight. Safety and maintenance: the SD-1 Minisport is designed with safety as the top priority. The aircraft has a rescue parachute system, which helps protect the pilot in an emergency. Maintenance of the aircraft is also quite simple and inexpensive thanks to its smart design and the use of durable materials. Review: the SD-1 Minisport is a remarkable ultralight aircraft with a smart design and impressive performance. It is not only fuel efficient, but also offers a comfortable and safe flying experience. With its high customization capabilities and affordable price, the SD-1 Minisport is a great choice for those who want to explore the skies without investing too much in operating costs.